In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional prescription pad using Canva. Hi everyone! We'll walk through a clean, simple workflow so you end up with a polished layout that's easy to read and practical to use. Start by opening Canva on your browser or in the app. In the search bar at the top, type prescription pad and press enter. You'll see a range of layouts designed for clinical use. Choose a template that looks clean and professional. Think clear headings, generous margins, and minimal decorative elements. A simple design reads better and prints more reliably. Once the template is open, click into the text boxes and update the clinic name, the doctor's name, and the address. Keep the details concise and consistent. If the template includes extra placeholder lines you don't need, delete or shorten them to avoid crowding. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, and avoid adding any sensitive information beyond what's essential for identification. Next, add your logo. Go to the Uploads tab to bring in your file, or search the Elements tab if your logo is already in your brand kit. A transparent PNG works best for clean edges. Drag it into the header area, resize it so it complements the text rather than competing with it, and align it with the clinic name for a cohesive look. Now refine the typography using the top toolbar. Choose a legible, professional font, and establish a clear hierarchy. The clinic name can be the largest, the doctor's name slightly smaller, and the address in a readable but modest size. Avoid overly decorative typefaces. Clarity matters most on medical documents. Keep line spacing comfortable to prevent text from looking cramped. Edit the lines or layout where prescriptions will be written. Ensure there's ample space for handwriting with clear lines or a roomy area beneath your header. You can keep subtle labels like patient, date, and signature if they're part of your template, but keep them small and unobtrusive so the writing space remains the focus. Maintain generous margins so nothing gets cut off when printed. Finally, check spacing and alignment across the page. Use Canva's smart guides to center elements. Keep equal padding on all sides, and maintain consistent gaps between items. Align text left for readability, and ensure the logo and headings sit on the same visual baseline. Step back for a quick visual check. The design should feel balanced, uncluttered, and easy to scan. And that's how you design a professional prescription pad in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.